Let's take a look. Do you know what this is called? It's called a carbon canister purge valve. Have you noticed your car using more fuel than before, or smelling gas while driving? That means it's faulty. Don't ignore this issue. If you take it to a shop, it'll cost hundreds to fix. Today I'll show you how to fix it for just a couple bucks. It's very easy to remove. No screws, just these two clips. Let's pull it off by hand. Then unplug this hose. Now remove the other hose. Okay, press this clip and pull out the connector. See? The valve's out. One end connects to the tank, the other to the engine. Normally it's closed. If stuck open, the engine sucks fuel vapor from the tank, wasting gas. Let's test it. Look, it's open. That's the problem. Now that we know, it's easy to fix. I bought this new valve from the auto parts store. It only cost a few bucks. Let's install it. It's simple. First, plug in this hose. Then connect the other hose. Finally, plug in the connector. Done. The new valve's installed. This should improve fuel efficiency. See how easy that was?